The city's nucleus was a settlement around a mud fort built in 1537 by a local chief, Kempegowda. The fort was reconstructed of stone in 1761. Bangalore was the headquarters of the British administration from 1831 to 1881 when the Raja was restored. However, Britain retained an administrative and military presence in the city until Indian independence in 1947. Bangalore subsequently became the capital of the new state of Mysore and remained the capital during the reorganization of states in 1956. Mysore was renamed as Karnataka in 1973. Large scale immigration to Bangalore began in the 1950s as the state invested heavily in the public sector and in education. Employment opportunities were created for tens of thousands of people in southern India, and Bangalore grew to become one of the largest cities in the country. For several decades of the city's economic growth was based largely on manufacturing industries. In the early 1990s, however, a combination of a new national economic liberalization policies and the emergence of a strong education system in the city encouraged the development of an information and communications technology. In 2006, the city officially changed its name to Bengaluru, although the old name Bangalore was still widely used. The following year, the Greater Bengaluru Municipal Corporation, Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara was created, which superseded the city's previous municipal government. At that time, dozens of communities surrounding Bengaluru were absorbed into the new entity, greatly increasing the city's size and making its population almost identical to that of its urban agglomeration. Bengaluru consists of the closely built old town together with a number of modern outlying areas to the north and south with many parks and wide streets. A large military area is situated just southeast of central Bengaluru. Outlying areas incorporated into the city in 2007 include large green spaces as well as farmland and their sites of population and ICT related growth. Bengaluru has pleasant summers and mild winters. Summer temperatures are about 34 degrees Celsius and winter temperatures rarely drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 16 degrees Celsius. Most of the city's water comes from the Kaveri River about 45 miles to the south. The municipal government has undertaken projects to develop more prominent buildings include the Legislative Building, Vidhan Saudha 1956 and the High Court Building, Attara Kacheri, which are situated across from the one another. Also a note are the Maharaja of Mysore's palace, the Mysore Government Museum, and Tipu Sultan Fort and Palace. Notable local scenic spots are the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden, Kabban Park, Hesaraghatta Lake, and Chamaraja Lake Reservoir. Aircraft, railway coach, and machine tool installations in the city are run by the federal government, and the state owns plants manufacturing electrical and telephone equipment and soap. Privately owned entities produce pharmaceuticals, textiles, radio parts, glassware, leather and footwear, agricultural implements, paper and watches. Sandalwood products and agarbattis are also manufactured in Bangalore. From the late 20th century, the city became a center of high technology industry. Notably, a number of large multinational technology corporations opened offices there. In addition, major domestic firms such as Infosys and Wipro established headquarters in the city. In 1998, an ICT park opened in what was then the suburb of Whitefield, about 10 miles east of central Bangalore. As a self-contained city with hundreds of technology, software and telecommunication companies, the park became known as the Silicon Valley of India. Bangalore, now a Silicon Valley of India.